Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today's subject is about the precomputed relational universe. If you are asking what is that, it's an interesting topic and I would like to explain. Uh, I am very excited about this because actually I've been and we have been researching about this for a pretty long time, and it is about the universe and existence overall. So here's the idea. In Newtonian physics, objects exist in space and interact through forces. In quantum physics, reality collapses into definite states, right? Only when observed. But in the theory of precomputed relational universe model, there is no need for movement through space. Okay. Every particle holds precomputed relational data about its relationships to all others, and this is known. Okay. uh, like not by the particles, not by us, but by the maker, basically. Interactions emerge when relational data is activated, like calling a function in code. Here we have worked on a simulation and game, kind of, here we are not calculating each step with Newtonian physics, like for the gravitational forces. As you can see, we can add as much as solar systems, or in this simulation I can add, like, I can stop it, pause it, I can go over, I can get closer, I can continue, and like I can add sun or black holes. Like with precomputed relational universe method, the calculations are much less, basically, because think about like the universe doesn't calculate the step, like the interaction steps by step, basically. uh, what I'm trying to say here, when we are calculating the gravity force between moon and earth, we are like making the Newtonian uh, formula and putting the numbers over there and calculating on that moment or something, right? But the moon and earth, the sun, knows each other. Everything is known, precise. It is determined. It is not like until we observe. It is like it does all the possibilities. So this makes the universe computationally efficient, like fractals, okay? Infinitely complex, yet built from simple recursive rules. It is like a cosmic multiplayer game. Instead of loading every detail everywhere, like the server, the source sends only the relational data to you, to me, to need to experience like our reality seamlessly, you know because if I would have all that information now, if I would know all the interactions, all the things, that I would not be able to focus on this experience. So in PRU, everything is relationally connected. Okay, like these particles connected, because they are all in a program. Basically, this guy might not know this one, but the program knows, right? uh, this model could bridge quantum weirdness and classical certainty, revealing a universe of pure, efficient information created with perfect precision. Okay, as Allah say, I want to show that too. uh, like this is a Surah Furqan, Ayah 2, verse 2 from Surah Al-Furqan. I would like to read this one because I think it is very related. He to whom belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and who has not taken a son and has not had a partner in dominion, and has created each thing and determined it with precise determination. Okay, so there is a whole research about this, and I wanted to show you guys like there might be a different explanation than like separated uh, physics, you know, like quantum physics are separated, mechanical physics, macro, micro, like it is very complicated for me and for people too. Not I am not saying hey this is complicated, let's, but if you if you think from like uh, from a point where you are not in it, the precomputed relational universe is a new mode. Let me read this, okay? Relational awareness of other particles, precomputed effects of gravity, electromagnetism, and quantum entanglement. Like entanglement, for example. I mean, uh, entanglement means two particles, the distance between them doesn't matter. They they are entangled, they are like connected from a distance that uh, when you observe, okay, in quantum physics, when you observe something, it affects at the same moment on the other particle as well. Okay, this can but this cannot be explained with like mechanical physics, because a particle or a light cannot be faster than speed of light, right? But if they are on the same server and on the same state, they can be updated at the same step, you know, like uh, think about it as a multiplayer game, kind of, you know, where the time, like, let me show some stuff. Read me 1 second. So we tested many things, and for the computational approach, for example, uh, like for each particle and for each step with Newtonian or Einstein formulas, getting complex so quickly and like unbelievably getting high numbers, so it is very hard to compute them. Okay, so with just 100,000 particles, and there are so many particles in our universe, guys, it is the speed up is already 24 times, and with this particle count increases, the period shows incredible faster speeds, because we are uh, computing everything before, you know, like yeah, significantly faster, and it shows quantum mechanics, like entanglement, for example. Like, let me show that 1 second. Quantum, that's Python, thermodynamics, constant. Yeah, he's Allah, the one. Indeed, all things we created with precise measurement. This is Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-Qamar. Yeah, you guys should go check this research. It is really interesting. Okay, like entanglement, collapse, probabilistic, but in period it is precomputed matrix. I mean, you don't say it is something, you know, like whatever. Gravity, ON square force loops. With KD3 we did ON log n, so much easier to calculate at least. EM fields, lookup fields, search not needed. On the traditional physics, search is always required. We are keep searching for things. What is everything known, you know? What if we are in a you know, illusion here? But some things are real. We the experience is real. But the thing is, like, things are not that separated, so as traditional or quantum physics claims, I believe. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.